Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create test order on Shopify. The first thing you need to do once in your Shopify admin, you're going to go over to the top left hand menu option and select orders. Then from here you'll tap on create order. After you have done that, from here you could simply search for the product that you would like to add. So you could tap on browse products. Then from here you can scroll through and you can select all of your products. So I'll simply tap on this one right here, then tap on add. After you have added the product that you would like to use, let me clear out some of the variants. So I'll simply leave this product right here. After you have added the product that you would like to use, you can scroll down and you can see the option payment due later, or you could tap on collect payment. And from here, if you wanted, you could simply tap on enter a credit card and you could enter your credit card information. After you're finished, you'll simply tap on send invoice. And after you have tapped on send invoice, it will automatically be saved. So you could enter your name right here to send an example. And you can also add the information right there. Once you're finished, you can see right here an example of your order. You can see how it will look. Then from here, you can simply scroll down and you can see right here, you created this draft order, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.